Melissa here, bringing you VIP Magic. And today's magic is the 25th Disney Cruise Line anniversary limited edition floating ship wireless speaker. And yes, we're here aboard the beautiful Disney Wish. We are here to celebrate the 25th anniversary of our cruise line and being Pearl Castaway member. And yes, I received the floating speaker, and I'm here to show it to you. I have all the tips and tricks that you'll need to get yours. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can reach me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Book with a Disney expert that knows all the tips and tricks so you don't miss a thing. And best of all, my services are complimentary to you. So let's do an unboxing and see what this beautiful speaker is all about. I love it. Let's turn it on.